Hey guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel Blair Tech 256. In this video tutorial I'm going to guide you on how to get a free SafeBoda ride in Uganda without paying cash, but using a promo code which is provided by the company, and you could redeem this code each and every month on any MTN SIM card that you have. Okay, so you could get a free ride without paying cash. You just take a ride, and then the SafeBoda rider will use that promo code as the means of payment. So I'll show you all that on how it works. So first of all, you need an MTN SIM card, and the second step is to dial this code to join the MTN pulse. It is *157 *1#, and then you press call. Okay, so for me, I have already joined the MTN pulse, as you can see right there. Now I'm going to show you on how to redeem this promo code, and you could redeem this code on any MTN SIM card that you have each and every month. Okay, so what you need to do next is to download the MTN pulse app via the Play Store. Okay, MTN pulse app, you download that. After downloading it, you download the SafeBoda app. Okay, I'll show you where to put that promo code. Now go ahead and open up the MTN pulse app. So after launching the MTN pulse app, go ahead and put in your number, your MTN number, to get the verification code, and we get started to do this. So let me go ahead and put in my number. Okay, alright, so we're going to receive a verification code. Okay, so here it is. Copy it, and then you paste it right there. So after verifying, I'm going to show you what to do, and you get yourself a free voucher code for the SafeBoda and get yourself a free ride. Okay, so this is the layout of the app. So now what we're going to do is to head where you see freebies. We tap on that, and then head where you see transport. You tap on that. Now we're going to get the voucher code. So with this voucher code, you can redeem it with multiple MTN SIM cards that you may have. You can do it multiple times, and you redeem this code with different SIM cards of MTN. Okay, so you could get yourself a free ride on SafeBoda cashless. Yeah, meaning like you don't pay, they use that promo code as means of payment. Okay, so what you need to do is tap on this. Okay, and then you click on get this, and you get yourself a free SafeBoda promo code. So this is the code that I've got. Okay, so let us go ahead and copy it in the messages. So here is the code. It is PAUSE4_J2DHM. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, and I'm going to use this code in the SafeBoda app. Okay, copy, then let me paste it somewhere. Okay, so this is the code. It is pause. Okay, yeah, that one. PAUSE4_J2DHM. So you use this code once, so don't use this code. This code I have already used it. I'm just going to show you how to get a free SafeBoda ride. So head to the SafeBoda app and tap on it. Okay, so after launching that app for the SafeBoda, and after signing up with your number, what you need to do is to head where you see my account, and then head where you see payment methods, and then you click on add promo. Then you paste that promo code and click add promo. So that is the code. You can use that code to get a free SafeBoda ride. So let me show you right here. When you order for your ride, you can see I've been ordering for rides and using those promo codes using different SIM cards for MTN. So let me try to order for a ride. Order a ride right there, and then you select where you would like to go. Okay, and then you select the pickup point, confirm pickup point, and then that will be the payment method, as you can see right there. And then you can go ahead and click on order, and then you get yourself a free ride using that promo code for 5k. Okay, so you can use different SIM cards of MTN and you redeem that code. Yeah, it's your boy Blair Tech 256. I sign out. Keep tuned on my YouTube channel Blair Tech 256 for more tricks, for more helpful videos. Yeah, I sign out.